Well, have you ever tried to do gluten-free noodles in your Instant Pot and been so frustrated when it came out to be a mushy mess? Well, I've got good news for you. You can make really good noodles in your Instant Pot. The reason this is such a great method is because you don't have to do any draining. It's perfect. The key is ignoring the time. You only need 1 minute after it comes to pressure. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm Amy. Welcome to my gluten-free kitchen. I'm going to show you how I do this frequently. I've got over here about 4 cups of water. I usually use chicken broth that I've made, but I used that up recently, so I'm going to go ahead and pour in how much I want to use. These are red lentil Barilla rotini. This method also works just fine with the chickpea kind and the corn and rice kind and the ziti kind as well. So I think there's other, like the shell kind, whatever, just not spaghetti. So this is what I do. I pour in as much as I want to use. And I'm just going to do the whole box. Okay, all I got to do is cover it with the liquid. Spread it out a little bit. It'll need a little bit more. Okay, so I think they're mostly submerged here. I think that's sufficient. I just try to get them all stick down. Now, the time that it takes to do this method is about the same because it does take some time to come to pressure. I'll time it and let you know how long it takes. But all I gotta do is pop the lid on, make sure it's set to sealing, press manual. I want a lot less than that. I just want 1 minute. Okay, there it goes. I just gotta wait, so stay tuned. So this just beeped. I'm going to cover the spout thing and open it up. So it's done releasing its steam, and I'll show you what it looks like. No need to drain. Flavor going. Right, drizzle some oil. So that method works really well for me, and I really like it because I'm not afraid of any scalding water. Now, I did put that towel on top of the spout thing so it didn't spray everywhere, because it sometimes does do that, especially with noodles, it will bubble. I hope that helped you and that you learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to hit the notification bell if you're interested in seeing more content like this. Hope you have a great day. P.S. If you want to hang out more, I do have another channel about intentional creative living. I'd love to see you over at Aim for a Creative Life. Bye!